my name is Emily Shankman. I'm a voice teacher at Terra. Today I'm going to be showing you one of my favorite breathing exercises to create strong, supported, sustained diaphragmatic breathing for singing. So what you're going to do is you're first going to breathe into your hands, which are on your ribs. Your ribs are going to expand. You'll hold for 3 counts, and then you'll exhale on a hiss. Until you're just about out of air, not to the very end where you feel like you're squeezing or gasping for breath. You just want to let it slowly sustain until you come to a point where you feel like you're just about out of air. This will create really strong lines in your singing and will make you an even better singer. So check it out. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in voice lessons soon.